Here are Jara Rose's puppies, and they are 4 weeks old today. And they're in a playful mood. We've got Lazuli on the left and Laurel on the right. Whoops, better pay attention to the video, huh? Maybe I'll lower it. Whoop, there we go. Be a little closer down by them. Oh, now they're going to quit playing because I opened the gate and I put the camera on them. They were just going at it. Oh. They're like, maybe we could just blow this joint. There we go. Look at this. One of Ireland's puppies sees them. Talk to them. Little Lucy. What do you think, babies? Huh? Are you gonna go back to playing? Lazuli's like, can I get over this? I want you to stay in there so I can get pictures of you. Yeah. Put her leg through the wrong place. Let's see if I throw some toys in, what happens? They're curious about the toys, but not quite sure what to do with them. I'm gonna play with her paw there. Look at her, Laurel. Kind of like when, you know, a baby discovers its feet. They'll take them and put them in their mouth. Here we go. She's discovered her paw. Chewing on it. I'm just waiting for her to cry. So she doesn't have any teeth. It probably doesn't hurt. I love when they chase their tail. It's so funny. Laurel. That's a silly goose. Is that a good paw, huh? Silly girl. Is that a good paw? Huh, silly girl? Did you chew on yourself, huh? What are you doing chewing on yourself? Yes, my goodness. Hi, Lazuli. Oh, hello, pretty girls. Pretty girls, yes. Pretty girls, yes. Okay. Good. Oh, I'm getting her feisty. Oh, she They must not like that. Maybe it tickles, huh? What? What, Laurel? Huh? You don't like being tickled? Huh? He's giving you a little scratch. Oh, she's feisty today. I think last week it was Lazuli that was all full of it, and now it's Laurel. What? Lazuli, do you want to come out here? You do, don't you? Yes, you do, I know. I know. I know. You just want to come out and play with me, huh? Yes, pretty babies. Pretty babies, yes. Yes. What, little one? What, little bitty thing, huh? Well, you're gonna figure this out. If you could get both legs up at the same time, you might just tumble out. Yeah. Well, get her. Get her back, Lazuli. Get her back. Grab her ear. Look at her look at me. Oh. Oh. Okay, so there you have Jara Rose's absolutely adorable 4-week-old puppies.